There's one on the pavement on an illegal motorbike. And there's one on an illegal motorbike using a mobile phone. And there's one of Starmer's imports on an illegal motorbike, jumping the lights. Jumping the lights. Another of Starmer's imports on an illegal motorbike. Jumping the lights. And here we've got a dickhead going the wrong way up a one-way street on an illegal motorbike. Another one of Starmer's imports. Oh, there's someone driving an illegal motorbike in our cycle lane. Jumping the lights. Jumping the lights. Jumping the lights. Another one driving an illegal motorbike through the park. Oh, what's this idiot doing? Another twat of an illegal motorbike. Another one of Starmer's imports. Get out.
They haven't scheduled it with me yet. They told
Pair of fucking wankers. Jumping the lights! It's them cunts again. Another one jumping the lights! Another scumbag on an illegal motorbike there. And of course that says no motor vehicles, but what would he care? And there's another one driving an illegal motorbike in our cycle lane. There's one driving an illegal motorbike in the cycle lane and jumping the lights. Another one going the wrong way down a one-way street on an illegal motorbike. There's one on a UMV there going the wrong way down a one-way street. No lights on there. Yep, another unregistered motor vehicle. Another one of Starmer's imports. Stupid fucking idiots. Oh, he's jumped the lights. Oh, an illegal motorbike there with no lights on. Another illegal motorbike with no lights, and he's playing with his phone as well. This one driving an illegal motorbike on the pavement. Fucking dickhead driving his illegal motorbike on the pavement. Scumbag. Another of Starmer's imports. Illegal motorbike, no lights on. Oh, we got ninjas. One on an illegal motorbike and one on a bike. Looked like he had a rear light but no front light. Fucking dickhead there, taking an illegal right turn. Scumbag on an illegal motorbike with no lights on. Another of Starmer's imports, putting decent workers out of business. And There's another one driving an illegal motorbike on the footpath. There's an illegal motorbike with no lights on.